Hello students, welcome you all in Sudhir Jaiswal Edu Maths. For what values of m, the lines of representing the following equations have a unique solutions, no solutions and infinitely many solutions. And the pair of equations are mx plus 3y equal to m minus 3, 12x plus my equal to m. If you want to solve this question, so you have pair of linear equation, so you can convert it into the standard form here. Mx plus 3y would become here minus m and plus 3 equal to 0, and 12x plus my minus m equal to 0. Okay, I have converted it into the standard form. Here you have a1, which is the coefficient of the x. A1 is m, so you can find a1 upon a2. A2 is the coefficient of x in the second equation here, so you'd get m upon 12. What is b1 upon b2? Is b1 is the coefficient of y in the first equation, and b2 the coefficient of y in the second equation. Here 3 upon m, and c1 upon c2 is actually the constant term you get here, minus m plus 3 upon minus m. Okay, first we need to solve for what value of m. The pair of linear equation has a unique solution. Okay, so for unique solution we know that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, in this case we know that it is not equal to b1 upon b2. So let's solve it. So m upon 12 equal to is not equal to 3 upon m. Solve it, cross multiply. M square equal to 12 into 3 is not equal to, so m is not equal to plus minus root 36. 12 is 36, so m is not equal to here plus minus 6. Alright, so the answer is actually the pair of linear equation, the pair has a unique solution for any real value except plus minus 6. That means you can take any value except plus minus 6. Okay, the answer is all real value of m except plus 6 and minus 6. Okay, you can say that m cannot be plus 6 and minus 6. Let's move to the next question. Here we have now no solution. For what value of m, the lines of representing the following equation have no solution. As we know, for no solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Alright, so a1 upon a2 is m upon 12, b1 upon b2 is 3 upon m, c is not equal to c1 upon c2 is minus m plus 3 upon minus m. Okay, let's solve first two ratio. Okay, let's solve it. So when you solve this first two ratio, solve first two ratios. Okay, so m upon 12 equal to 3 upon m. When you cross multiply, you'll get here m square equal to 36. So m equal to plus minus root 36 means plus minus 6 is the answer. Okay, so we cannot decide here. For value of m, we need to solve the last two ratios here. Solve last two ratios. Okay, ratios. So it is 3 upon m is not equal to minus m plus 3 upon minus m. Solve it. So it would be minus 3 m is not equal to minus m square and plus 3m. Okay, and now then what would you 0 is not equal to minus m square plus 3m, and when you transpose minus 3m it will become here plus 3m. So what the answer here would get 0 equal to is not equal to here minus m square plus 6m, minus m square plus 6m. When you take common, what 0 cannot be, take minus m common here, we would get m minus 6. Okay, so when you solve this you'll get m cannot be here, m equal to 0 and m equal to 6, so m is cannot be 0 and 6, so m cannot be 0 and m cannot be 6. You got from this that means after solving last two ratios you got m cannot be 0 and m cannot be 6. And here you have two options, m equal to plus 6 and minus 6. So since you have to match this from both the equation, here m cannot be 6, so what would be the answer? M equal to minus 6 is the answer. So for m equal to minus 6 the pair of linear equation have no solutions. Okay, for m equal to minus 6. Alright, so let's move to the next part. The next part is for what value of equations have infinitely many solutions. Now for infinitely many solutions we have a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Again we put the value here. Okay, so the values are, let's let it clear. Okay, so a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, m upon 12 equal to 3 upon m equal to minus m plus 3 upon minus m. So first solve first two ratio again, first two ratios. Okay, so m upon 12 equal to 3 upon m, when you cross multiply it you will get here m square equal to 12 into 3 36, m would be plus minus root 36, means m equal to plus minus 6. So how would you decide the answer after solving the last two ratio? Solve last two ratios. Okay, so here 3 upon m equal to minus m plus 3 upon minus m, solve it, minus cross multiply, after cross multiply it minus 3m equal to minus m square plus 3m. So transpose this 3m here and m square also, 3m minus 3m plus m square equal to 0, minus 6m plus m square equal to 0. When you take m common here, so you will get minus 6 plus m equal to 0. So you here would get m equal to 0 and m equal to 6. Okay, so the common value of m, here you have the value of m is plus 6 and minus 6. So here we need to find the common value. The common value is 6. So for m equal to 6 here, so what is the answer? For m equal to 6, the pair of equations, linear equations have infinitely many solutions. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.